2019 is ending on an eclipse high as we get the new moon eclipse in the sign of Capricorn. As soon as possible this week after the new moon, make a 2019 goodbye list and a 2019 gratitude list. Here's how. Number 1, think about what went wrong this year. What upset you and what do you need to let go of? What or who do you plan not to take into 2020 with you? Number 2, write it down and then burn it. That transmutes it into the ether. Number 3, make a list of all the people, places, things, and adventures from 2019 that you are grateful for. Number 4, think about how blessed you are. And if you haven't already done it, start to make a list of your intentions for 2020. Planning and writing things down are two of the biggest secrets to manifesting.